Investigators believe self-described anti-feminist Roy Den Hollander took a train because baggage screening not as strict as at airports. They believe he brought his .380 handgun along to kill perceived enemies. Law enforcement believes the gunman had on some kind of hit list he kept in his car. At the suicide scene upstate, investigators say Roy Den Hollander had a hit list of sorts, at least half a dozen names and addresses of people he might have been targeting. There were even directions to the New Jersey home of Judge Esther Salas and her family. There were documents on the murdered California attorney, New York State's Chief Judge Janet DiFiore, another civil court judge, and the name and address of one of his doctors. Den Hollander had a GoFundMe page that read, "Cancer knocks you down and doctors finish you off." An FBI spokeswoman would not comment on the apparent hit list, but today she did confirm that Den Hollander may be linked to the California killing. Investigators believe the same gun, similar to this .380 Walther, was the type of gun used in California and in the shooting on the family of the New Jersey judge, as well as upstate, where Den Hollander killed himself. Investigators now believe he traveled coast to coast using Amtrak instead of flying, in part to lessen the chance he might get caught carrying a gun. Sources say he left New York for LA on July 4th, and after the July 11th murder, he returned to New York on July 14th. U.S. Marshals and the FBI believe Den Hollander acted alone, but even though he is dead, they are alerting anyone who might have been a target as a precaution. Jonathan Dienst, News 4.